throughout history, printed money has never worked. You know, from the time of the Chinese in 600 AD, they started printing paper money, and the Romans debased the currency. And then the Weimar Republic, you know, in the 1920s, printed money, which led to World War II, rise of Adolf Hitler, and death of about 25 million people. So then United States tried it again in 1971 when Nixon took us off the gold standard. And every time they can't figure out how to make more money, they create derivatives of money. And so we're just doing it again. And it's not real money, it's fake money. So if I give a plug, my next book coming out is called Fake, just big fake. You know, there's fake news, there's fake this, there's fake that. But there's also fake money, fake teachers. You know, our teachers are not, when it comes to money, I'm sure they're good people, but they really don't know what they're talking about when it comes to money. That was my poor dad, you know. And then the last one is fake assets. And what we're talking about right now are fake assets, where they're, you know, collateralized debt obligations, things like this. But it's not new. The whole thing is it's never ended nicely. You know, there's this boom, there's euphoria. That's like if I gave you, you know, $5 million each, you'd be very happy. But for a lot of people, it's like a hangover soon comes after that. And that's why most sports stars and lottery winners, you know, they go bust. Yeah. And so the whole thing isn't money, it's that we don't know how to manage our money. So.
Yeah, and we've seen this end badly before. We saw it in 2007, of course. Obviously, a lot of people lost a lot of money. You see investor confidence, but not exactly fundamental value. And that can cause, obviously, a lot of problems. Not to say, you know, every real estate market is going to go bust, but obviously there are a lot of real estate markets right now that obviously don't look good, mainly, you know, Vancouver, Toronto, Seattle, for example. Where do you think are the best places at this moment to buy and the worst places to buy?
What, real estate?
Yeah.
I'm not buying anything right now. I'm selling. I generally don't sell. Yeah. And so it kind of hurts me to sell. Yeah. But I know it's a bubble because the properties, we bought about 1,600 units about 3 years ago. And already these private equity and hedge fund guys are offering us 3 times more than we paid for it in just 2 years. Mm-hmm. So for me to get my ROI, you know, by cash flowing it out of rent, it ain't going to happen. So if some idiot's knocking on your door to give you 3 times what you paid for it, you got to sell, you know, and I hate selling. I like, you know, like Warren Buffett, how long do you hold a stock? He holds it forever. I hold gold and silver forever, and I hold real estate forever. But now with all these people offering us so much money, I mean, it's ridiculous. But as you know, you never sell your best properties. You sell all the stuff that you're kind of hoping to get rid of anyway. So it's kind of funny. It's entertaining.
Yeah.